Cooking is an art, and like any artist, you need the right tools to create a masterpiece. The Ninja NeverStick Comfort Grip 10-piece cookware set is more than just a set of pots and pans. It's a game changer that elevates your cooking experience to new heights. In this review, we'll delve into the features that make this cookware set stand out, from its innovative NeverStick technology to its ergonomic design and versatile cooking capabilities. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The NeverStick Advantage. The standout feature of this cookware set lies in its NeverStick technology. Imagine a world where your food effortlessly releases from the pan, where you don't have to battle with stubborn residues or worry about chipping and flaking. The NeverStick coating is not just non-stick, it's a culinary revolution. Superheated at 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, plasma ceramic particles are fused to the pan's surface, creating a super hard, textured surface that interlocks with the exclusive coating for a bond that ensures your cooking adventures are free from frustrations. Comfort in every detail. Cooking should be a joy, not a chore, and the Ninja NeverStick Comfort Grip cookware set understands this. The silicone handles provide a cool, comfortable, and non-slip grip, allowing you to channel your inner chef without the need for mitts. The lightweight design with a 28 mm aluminum base ensures quick and even heating, eradicating those annoying hot spots that can compromise your culinary creations. Versatility unleashed. Whether you're a stovetop enthusiast or love to experiment in the oven, this cookware set has you covered. With an oven-safe capability of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can seamlessly transition from stovetop searing to oven roasting. The compatibility with gas, electric, glass ceramic, and induction stovetops broadens the horizons of your culinary possibilities. It's not just cookware, it's a versatile kitchen companion. Effortless cleanup and all-inclusive package. Gone are the days of scrubbing and soaking pans after a delightful meal. The easy-to-clean gray glossy exterior ensures that any mess is wipes away effortlessly. And when it comes to cleanup, rejoice, these pans are dishwasher safe. The set includes everything you need for a well-equipped kitchen, from fry pans to saucepans, sauté pans to a stockpot, each piece meticulously designed to enhance your cooking journey. In conclusion, the Ninja NeverStick Comfort Grip 10-piece cookware set is not just cookware, it's an investment in a culinary revolution. From the innovative NeverStick technology to the comfort-centric design and versatile cooking capabilities, every aspect is crafted to enhance your cooking experience. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and understand why this cookware set isn't just about pots and pans, it's about unlocking a world of culinary possibilities with ease and style. Upgrade your kitchen, transform your cooking, and let the Ninja NeverStick Comfort Grip cookware set be the catalyst for your culinary adventures. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.